Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing safety. If water reaches outlets or appliances, turn off electricity. This prevents shocks and fires. Next, confirm the source so you target removal. Once known, position a submersible pump in the deepest pool and set a wet/dry vacuum for shallow areas. Make sure to move small, sensitive items out. You'll reduce losses. While the pump runs, keep windows open to speed air exchange, and keep people away from standing water for hygiene. Once the pump lowers bulk water to under 1 inch, switch to the wet/dry vacuum and start extracting along seams and corners. These trap water. You should lift soaked carpets and pad to check subfloor moisture. Prop furniture onto blocks to prevent further damage. Remove baseboards or trim that absorbed water. This exposes cavities so you can dry them and prevents mold. Make sure to photograph damage now for claims. Continued drying without documentation can void coverage. You finish by creating continuous airflow and dehumidification. Place high-capacity fans and a dehumidifier in the affected zone and run them 24/7 until moisture readings hit safe levels. Once dry, sanitize all surfaces to kill bacteria. Follow product instructions and ventilate. Replace or repair insulation, drywall, or flooring only after you confirm dryness and absence of mold. If you still smell mustiness or see staining, stop, call a remediation pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.